For our next example, we're going to look at what happens when there's multiple selection pools. So a committee of 3 boys and 5 girls is to be formed from a group of 10 boys and 11 girls. How many committees are possible? And so we have this idea where the boys are separate from the girls. So I want to choose 3 boys. So it's going to choose 3, and there's 10 possible boys we can pick from. For the girls, well, we want to choose 5. So we're choosing 5 out of 11. So it's going to be 11 choose 5. Now we do also want any combinations combined with these as well. So it's going to be a multiplication. For this one, I think we're going to just put this in the calculator as 10 choose 3 times 11 choose 5, and you get 55,440. Let's do one more example like that. So Rihanna is writing a math exam. The instructions say that she must answer a specified number of questions from each section. How many different selections of questions are possible if she must answer 2 of the 4 questions in part A and 3 of the 5 questions in part B? Okay, well, let's do part A first. So here we have 4 questions, and we need to choose 2 of them. We don't care what order they're in, so that's why it's a combination. And then for part B, well, we want to choose 3 questions out of 5. So 5 choose 3. Now again, we want to have any different combinations from A and B as well, so it's going to be multiplication. We haven't done this in a little bit, so let's go and do this using factorials. So this is going to become 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial times 2 factorial, because 4 minus 2 is 2. Remember, the denominator should equal the numerator. And then for B, it's going to become 5 factorial over 3 factorial, and then 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, so we can start doing some simplification. I'm going to make this 4 times 3 times 2 factorial. And then, 2 factorial is still 2. So one of these I'll leave as 2 factorial, the other I'll leave as 2. And over here, I'll rewrite this as 5 times 4 times 3 factorial. So I can cancel out that 3 factorial in the denominator. And 2 factorial is still 2. So then doing some canceling, so the 2 factorials and then the 3 factorials. And actually 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 divided by 4 is 1. So that all gets canceled out as well. So we're just left with 4 times 3 times 5, which is 60. So there's 60 different ways that we can complete this exam.